The phrase for "I don't know" in Spanish is no sé. It's a simple and commonly used expression that you can use to indicate that you don't have an answer or information about a particular topic. No sé is a versatile phrase that can be used in different situations, whether you're asked a question you don't know the answer to or you're unsure about a decision. It's a humble and honest way to admit your lack of knowledge or certainty. It's worth noting that there are other ways to express uncertainty or lack of knowledge in Spanish, such as no tengo idea, or no estoy seguro. These phrases can be used in more specific contexts, such as expressing uncertainty about a particular fact or decision. So next time you're unsure about something in Spanish, remember to use the phrase no sé. It's a simple and effective way to communicate your lack of knowledge or certainty. Hey there, fellow language learners. Are you enjoying this video and finding it helpful? If so, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing to our channel, you'll never miss out on our latest language learning videos. Also check out description pages to check out some amazing books which will help you learn Spanish language.